Welcome back to Daytime Live. Now, as you guys know by now, we at Daytime Live are always about building the bridge between us in the Caribbean and our brothers and sisters in Africa. So, today it's all about Nollywood and the popular #1 series, listen, is called Blood Sisters.
All right, so joining us now to talk more about Blood Sisters are actress Genoveva Ume and producer Ted Makanjula. Welcome, ladies.
Thank you.
I didn't get the memo about the green.
Right?
It was
totally
unplanned coincidence.
All right, so we actually wish you were here in Jamaica with us, right? Because this is really exciting. So have any of you ever visited Jamaica before? Who wants to go first?
Unfortunately, I haven't. I mean, it's like on my list. I know Jamaica is beautiful, so it's definitely somewhere I definitely want to visit in the future, but not as of today. No.
Okay.
For sure, I definitely love to visit, but I kind of grew up in London, and like the environment is multicultural, and the environment is like Jamaican. So good vibes.
We're familiar with the Jamaican culture, exactly, because we both kind of have those affiliations living in London. Yeah.
All right. Well, we're going to save a space at our homes for both of you when you're ready. Okay?
Absolutely. That's a very diplomatic way to say we've never been there. That was very good. Okay, so Blood Sisters, for those who have not yet watched it. Ted, tell us about it.
So Blood Sisters is about two best friends. They've known each other for basically their whole lives, and they get into a crazy situation the night before the night of one of their weddings, and they basically have to go on the run. And it's basically about two best friends. You know, it's about sisterhood, it's about friendship, family dynamics, kind of socioeconomic imbalances, especially in Nigeria and our culture. And it's a fun ride. It's thrilling, it's exciting, and it's everything. We totally love it. So yeah.
The mother is dangerous. The mommy is like
mean.
Listen, I'm like
she's mean. And talking about the mother, can you imagine the daughter? So Genoveva, you are a breakout star in the show, and your character, I can't imagine. It wasn't easy to play. Just watching it, very, very believable. So talk us through a little bit about the character you play and just how long you've been acting.
Oh, thank you. So I play a fierce young woman. Her name is Tinei Ademola. She's grown up in this really affluent family. She has a big heart, a lot of love to give. Unfortunately, her family are not receptive of that. So she finds love in things like alcohol, drug abuse, sex, different kinds of things, unfortunately. And it's all about her just trying to find her voice or find her place in this family. And, it does get a bit crazy for this character. So yeah, watch Blood Sisters.
excellent. So guys, Nollywood is I know you guys haven't been here, but it's really, really big in Jamaica. And even before streaming platforms, we would watch them here on DVDs. How do you guys feel about the African diaspora loving stories from your continent? Ted, how do you feel about that?
I mean, it's really amazing. It's like a really nice feeling because it's something that connects, different, people across the world. Everyone loves, watching movies and entertainment, and even more so, African movies and TV shows. So it's really nice to see that people that are not Nigerian living in Nigeria are able to watch these films and connect with them, and we're able to relate. It basically goes to show that all these stories are universal and people can relate with them, whether they're from this part of the world or not.
Exactly.
Yeah, that's one of the things I like about them too, actually. Genoveva, did you want to respond to that question before I throw in my question for you?
Yeah, absolutely. I agree. I feel like we're bridging the gap with African films and cinema and stories, and we're following African storytelling, and it's nice that we're getting that international recognition. We're doing well and performing in the big stages as well. So it also helps with collaborations, you know, in future in terms of like maybe Jamaica collaborating with Nigeria to create something huge. So yeah, those are really, really, really good chances for us.
Yeah, another genre I find is bridging the gap since we went there would be Afrobeats. And you see Daytime Live? Yes, I see you moving. We absolutely love featuring Afrobeat acts and Afrobeat music on the show. We walked out to an Afrobeat song. So I want to hear from both of you. So let's start with you, Ted. Can you tell us your favorite Afrobeats artist?
That's a hard one. But
Oh, that is so hard. Thames is one of my favorite right now.
okay.
Tiwa, Burna Boy. Oh, like I can't name one. Like there's so many. Adekunle Gold. You know, there's so many really, really good guys right now.
All right.
Genevieve?
Yeah, for sure. I'm a huge fan of Wizkid, Burna Boy. Huge fan of Simi, Tiwa Savage. There's just so many, you know, musicians, even to Lady Donnelly, you know, different artists, really, really giving us great songs that go viral and worldwide.
Definitely.
Awesome.
Because I love Tiwa, because somebody's son is going to love me one day. I'm
That's
just saying.
right.
Okay. So, all right, we're talking about how much you guys love Jamaica and wanting to be in Jamaica and all that good stuff. So here's my question. Who is your favorite reggae or dance hall act? Genevieve, I'm looking at you first. Who's your favorite? Yeah. Who's your favorite?
So I don't know. So obviously, growing up in high school, I loved Spice.
Oh,
That's a
my
good one.
girl.
That's a good one.
Yes.
That's something like it. And then, you know, and then you have like Beanie Man, King of
She went back
Dancehall,
to,
you
you
have
know.
Mavado, you have Gyptian. You know, the list goes on. I'm a big dancehall fan.
I believe you now, Genevieve. I believe
Yes.
you. All right, hang on. Ted, you're on the hot seat now. What say you?
Oh, I mean, you said Spice. I love Spice. Vibes Cartel. Coffee. I
Ah.
love Coffee. Yeah, those are like my faves. Yeah.
You guys are hardcore. I like it.
Our people.
We
Okay.
love dancehall in Nigeria. We love dancehall.
I love
Love
that.
dancing.
All right, ladies, thank you so much because Blood Sisters, I mean, I'm at episode 2 or 3 and I am nervous just sitting and watching.
hope
That's
they
how
don't
you know
find
when
out
you
who
have a
did it.
good thing going, right?
The mother's gonna kill you both.
Jeez, Blood Sisters out right now. And remember to follow these beautiful young ladies on their IG handles to find out more about it. Great work and just congratulations, and we're looking forward to more.
Thank you guys so
Thank
much.
you.
Thank you. Lots
Thank
of
you,
love.
ladies.
Mwah. Okay, guys, Daytime Lab will be right back with a music video from none other than Kanye West. Join us after the break. Stick and stay. We soon come.
Yeah, I'm cracking up over here.